Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use Nano Banana in Photoshop. Now it's very important to notice guys, this is only going to work so far in Photoshop 25.7, the beta version, okay? So this is not actual Photoshop, but it's Photoshop Beta, which is two different things altogether. So make sure to go to your Creative Cloud and just, install your actual Photoshop Beta. All right, guys, not normal Photoshop. And make sure it's 25.7. Now, what are you going to do? Very simple. You're just going to open an image in here. As you can see, I have a beautiful tree that I'm going to edit using Nano Banana. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select the whole image by pressing Control A, and I'm going to click on Generative Fill. Now, I want you to pay close attention to this button that it says FI, which means Firefly. And here you're going to basically choose a model. And in my case, of course, it's going to be Nano Banana. This is the one that we want to use. Now, let's say make the tree red. Keep the rest the same. And we're going to click on Generate. Now, let's give it a few seconds to actually work on it. And, the results are going to be, I think, pretty good. But yeah, let's just give it a try. And the beautiful thing of this is that you have different modes that you can choose from, but Nano Banana is usually going to be the best. Now, some models give you more iterations, like they give you 4 options, but in this case, you only have this option in here, and you can just keep it. Okay, so in my case, because I'm happy with this, I'm just gonna, go for it. So I'm just gonna deselect the image, and that's it. I have my beautiful image that has been edited, and I can export it. Thank you so much.